ChatGPT cannibalize your job? Editorial interview with ChatGPT. I am Rakesh Raman. As a journalist, I held an online interview with ChatGPT on January 30, 2023 to know about this fledgling artificial intelligence or AI tool, its strengths, its capacity to handle user queries, and its future. Here are the questions and answers from the interview. Hello, ChatGPT. I am a journalist from India. I want to interview you for a few minutes. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Please proceed with your questions.
Please introduce yourself briefly. Who are you?
I am ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. I have been trained on a diverse range of internet text and can respond to a wide variety of questions and perform various language tasks.
How old are you?
As an AI language model, I don't have a birth date or age. I exist only in the form of computer code and data structures.
Why do you help others gain knowledge on diverse subjects in the world?
As a language model, my purpose is to assist users by generating human-like text based on the input I receive. I do not have personal motivations or desires, but I exist to help others gain knowledge and information by generating text based on the data I was trained on.
What types of questions do you take from the users?
As a language model, I can respond to a wide range of questions on a variety of topics including history, science, geography, current events, and much more. I can also perform various language tasks such as translation, summarization, text generation, and others. However, please note that my knowledge is current as of 2021 and I may not have the latest information.
Are there some questions that you refuse to take or find it awkward to answer?
As an AI language model, I do not have personal feelings or beliefs and will respond to any input I receive to the best of my ability. However, OpenAI has implemented certain filters to prevent me from generating inappropriate or harmful content. If a user's input contains hate speech, offensive language, or otherwise violates OpenAI's policies, I will not generate a response.
Do you feel angry when the questions from the users are not appropriate?
No, I do not have emotions or feelings as I am just a machine learning model designed to generate text based on patterns in the data I was trained on. I do not experience emotions such as anger or frustration. I exist purely to assist users by generating human-like text.
ChatGPT, is it right that you recently passed law exams in 4 courses at the University of Minnesota and another exam at University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School of Business? In fact, in its report on January 26, 2023, CNN had said that ChatGPT has passed these exams. Let's see what ChatGPT says.
No, that information is incorrect. As a language model, I do not have the ability to physically attend universities or take exams. I can only respond to text-based inputs and provide information or generate text based on the patterns I learned during my training.
Should ChatGPT be allowed for students to use in exams so that they could get good marks?
No, it would not be appropriate for students to use AI language models like me in exams. Academic integrity requires that students complete their work independently and without assistance, and using AI to generate answers would be considered cheating. Additionally, the purpose of exams is to assess a student's understanding and knowledge, and using AI would defeat the purpose of the evaluation. It's important for students to develop their own understanding and problem-solving skills in order to succeed in their studies and future careers.
What are you doing to make yourself perfect?
As an AI language model developed by OpenAI, I do not have the ability to actively improve myself. However, OpenAI continues to research and develop new language models and techniques for training them, with the goal of improving their performance and capabilities. This research involves using advanced machine learning algorithms and massive amounts of data to train language models to generate more accurate and human-like text. The goal of this research is to make AI language models like me more useful and capable tools for a wide range of applications.
Does ChatGPT have siblings? In other words, do you have other versions that are under development?
Yes, OpenAI has developed multiple language models, including successors to the original ChatGPT model. These models, such as GPT-3, are designed to have improved performance and capabilities compared to previous models, and they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI language models. OpenAI's research in this area is ongoing, and new models and improvements are being developed all the time.
Currently, are there some other AI assistants like ChatGPT?
Yes, there are other AI assistants similar to me, developed by various companies and organizations. Some examples include Google's BERT, Microsoft's GPT-3, and IBM's Watson. These AI language models are designed to respond to text-based inputs and generate human-like text, just like me. However, the exact capabilities and performance of these models may vary, and they use different techniques and approaches to accomplish their goals.
Is it possible that ChatGPT starts speaking after some time with audio response?
Yes, it is possible to generate an audio response based on the text generated by a language model like me. This can be accomplished using text-to-speech (TTS) technology, which converts text into spoken words using synthesized speech. TTS technology is widely used in virtual assistants, language learning apps, and other applications where it is useful to convert text into spoken words. With the help of TTS, it is possible for me to provide an audio response to users, in addition to my existing text-based response capability.
As ChatGPT is working like a human, is there a possibility that you cannibalize the jobs that people are doing these days?
AI language models like me have the potential to automate certain tasks that were previously performed by humans, and this could potentially lead to job displacement in some industries. However, it's important to note that AI is also creating new job opportunities in fields such as data science, machine learning, and software engineering. Additionally, AI can also augment human work by assisting with tasks, making work more efficient, and enabling humans to focus on higher-level and more creative tasks. Overall, the impact of AI on the job market is a complex and multifaceted issue, and it's likely that both positive and negative effects will be seen as AI continues to be developed and integrated into various industries. The important thing is to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly and that policies and programs are in place to support workers who may be affected by job displacement.
What is the future of ChatGPT, or where will ChatGPT reach after a year, say, in 2024?
It is difficult to predict exactly where ChatGPT or AI language models in general will be in the future, especially 1 year from now. However, it is likely that AI language models will continue to advance and become more sophisticated, capable of handling a wider range of tasks and providing more accurate and human-like responses. Additionally, AI language models like ChatGPT will likely continue to be integrated into a growing number of applications, including customer service, virtual assistants, and content creation, among others. It's also likely that research in the field of AI will continue to focus on making language models more efficient and effective, while also addressing challenges such as bias, privacy, and ethics. With the rapid pace of technological advancement, it's possible that new breakthroughs will emerge that further expand the capabilities of AI language models. Overall, the future of ChatGPT and AI language models is promising, and it will be interesting to see how they continue to evolve and impact various industries and fields in the years to come.
Thank you. See you soon again for the next part of our interview.
You're welcome. I'm always here to help, so feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. Have a great day.
This story has been scripted and produced by Rakesh Raman, who is a national award-winning journalist and founder of the humanitarian organization RMN Foundation. Nowadays, he is running his global news services on multiple news sites that cover topics such as politics, business, technology, entertainment, and education. Earlier, he was writing an exclusive edit page column regularly for the Financial Express, which is a daily business newspaper of the Indian Express Group. He had also been associated with the United Nations, UN, through the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, as a digital media expert to help businesses use technology for brand marketing and business development. You can check out the related links given under this video and subscribe to the RMN YouTube channel to watch more informative videos. Thank you.